Getting into a trade is really only half the job. The other half, and honestly the part that keeps you around long term, is protecting that trade once you're in it. And a lot of new traders skip it. They'll place an entry and just sit there watching it with no stop and no target. So in today's video, we're going to fix that. We're going to go through how to protect and automate your trades in DeepCharts using brackets, OCO orders, moving your stop, and setting a target. And the best part is DeepCharts can attach all of it automatically the moment you enter. So your risk is defined before you're even in a trade. DeepCharts is an order flow platform you can trade through an Optimus futures account. So let's get into it. In our last video, we covered the 3 basic order types: market, limit, and stop. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out first because we're building on top of that. Now remember the trading panel here that I have on the 1-minute chart. We were working in the top half. Today we're going to be working down here in the bottom half, the OCO strategy, stop loss, and take profit. So let's start with the most useful one, and that is brackets. A bracket just means that when you enter a trade, DeepCharts automatically attaches 2 orders for you: a stop loss to cap your risk and a take profit for your target. You don't have to place them separately. They come with the entry. And here's how you set it up. In the panel, we're going to toggle on OCO strategy. We're going to activate a stop loss as well as a take profit. And for our stop loss, let's use 8 ticks. Let's go 12. And for a take profit, let's do 40. Now, the second I place an entry, watch what happens. If I want to buy market here, we are in the market at 74.60 half. We have a stop loss that's automatically placed at 74.57 half and a take profit at 74.70 half. So before I'm even settled into the trade, my risk was defined and my exit was already planned. Now, obviously, we would do a little bit more research and develop a hypothesis, but that is how OCO brackets work. Now, those 2 orders were actually linked together, and if you noticed on the example, when my stop got hit, it canceled my take profit, and that's known as an OCO order. Also stands for one cancels the other. And this part is really important. It means the moment one of them fills, the other automatically cancels. So let's say we're looking here on the 5-minute and we want to sell. So now let's say we're short, and I'm going to move my stop to an irrelevant level so it doesn't get hit. But let's say I think it's going to stop here. As soon as I got filled, it canceled my stop. So whether your stop gets hit first or your take profit, you're never left with a stray order sitting out there. So now let's talk about managing your order. Let's assume that we think the market could recover here, and we want to set a limit. Again, our OCO strategy is on, we're filled. Now, what we can do is just click and drag the stop as well as the take profit. So let's say we thought the market was going to recover all the way up here. I would just drag this to the desired level, and we can go ahead and sit and manage this position. Okay, now the market's pushing up a little bit. Let's say we wanted to lock in some profit here. I would drag my stop up, and we are out. So that's an easy way to manage your position once you have your stop and your take profit in place. So to lock this in, a bracket attaches a stop and a target to your entry automatically. So your risk is defined before you're in. An OCO links those 2, so when one fills, the other cancels, and you're never left with a loose order. And once you're in, you can drag your stop. You can hit break even and move it to your entry, or you can trail it as price runs, or you can cancel in flat to get out of everything at once. And really, that's the whole point. Setting this up ahead of time means you're not making decisions in the heat of the moment. The plan's already in place. So if that helped, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you want to explore DeepCharts more, there's a Learn More link below. And whenever you're ready to trade it live, you can open your live account today at the link in the description. Visit Optimus Futures to get started today, and thank you for watching.